Lakshmi, I would like to have your view on it, because based on your experiences, like initially there were mutual funds that came into the market, and from there people, like it's like a value chain, or not even a value chain I would say, but those who are in high net worth individuals or an affluent investors, they obviously gravitate towards private equity or portfolio management things, or something which is quite exotic about. So tell me from your own experience over the last 20 years, when we talk about the PMS, and we have so many in the equity space, because everyone has to beat the returns into the market so as to see ki, okay, we are better performing as compared to other assets classes or other assets in the market. So from risk management point of view, or as a debt fund manager, what gap you are currently seeing into these funds, or what are the good things you have seen where they have been using fixed income or a debt space?
Sure. Hi, Rajat. So firstly, if you dissect the entire industry for PMS or portfolio management services, and I'm excluding the EPFO corpus of over 16 lakh crores, the size is predominantly restricted to equity offerings on the PMS side, which is a little under 2.5 lakh crores. So that's where the size is. And in some sense, even as we speak today, PMS is quite synonymous with equity. अब तक वो लोगों के माइंड में बैठा नहीं है कि डेट में भी PMS आ सकता है. Now, if you further dissect it and see that, as Dhaval rightly pointed out, these are all vehicles of participation in the capital market. यानी कि mutual fund के माध्यम से आप निवेश कर सकते हो, where the minimum ticket size is 5,000 rupees. फिर PMS जो है portfolio management services, which is slightly evolved, where the ticket size is 50 lakh rupees, and then you have AIF or alternate investment funds, where the ticket size is a crore and beyond. So ये सारे जो है तरीके हैं जहाँ पे आप multiple asset classes में participate कर सकते हो. The key thing which one needs to ascertain is what is your risk appetite. अब mutual fund में भी जब आप पैसे लगाते हो, so you are trying to ascertain what are the different kinds of risk, which is the credit risk, the interest rate risk, the liquidity risk. Likewise, जब आप mutual PMS के द्वारा भी पैसे लगाते हो, underlying is going to be of extreme importance, and once you are certain that, that is when you will decide कि हमको PMS के द्वारा निवेश करना है या फिर it is AIF या फिर mutual fund. So the underlying risk appetite of the investor, that is point number one. Second and most important is what is the underlying perceived risk of the underlying asset class. ये भी बहुत जरूरी है. And उदाहरण के तौर पे अगर आपको बताऊं तो today अगर आपको AAA portfolio बनाना है fixed income में, so the ballpark region would be anywhere in the band of 5.5 to 6.5, depending on what maturity, what tenor you are trying to make investments in, कौन से corporate bonds वगैरह में खरीद रहे हो. यही अगर आपको क्रेडिट के एसेट्स पे इन्वेस्ट करना है जो कि नॉन AAA है, देयर यू कैन लुक एट प्रोबेबली 50, 100, 150 बेसिस पॉइंट्स अपटिक, जहां पे आपका पोर्टफोलियो शायद 6.5 से 7% भी बन सकता है. अब ये म्यूचुअल फंड के द्वारा हुआ. नाउ देयर आर सर्टेन इन्वेस्टर्स हु आर नॉट हैप्पी विद दिस काइंड ऑफ रिटर्न्स. उनको रिस्क लेना है, वो समझ में आता है उनको रिस्क. So for them, you graduate them to the next level, saying that PMS के द्वारा आपको structured offerings मिल सकता है या फिर AIF के द्वारा मिल सकता है, where the underlying asset class, भले वो fixed income होगा, there is a potential to earn a higher coupon, but it also comes with the frill that there could be a potentially higher risk, which is both on the credit side and of course on the liquidity side. Interest rate is common to both. So I think this is the milestone which the investor has to traverse in his journey, और तय उसे करना है कि उसको रिस्क कितना उठाना है, क्योंकि स्पेक्ट्रम तो काफी बड़ा है. आज की तारीख में हम ना 4.5-5% का भी फिक्स्ड इनकम पोर्टफोलियो बना सकते हैं और 17-18% का भी पोर्टफोलियो बना सकते हैं, but the risk is obviously visibly different. So I think all these are possible through the PMS to AIF vehicle. ये माध्यम के थ्रू आप इसको एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो. There is no two ways about it. That category is gradually building. ऐसा नहीं है कि we reached a tipping point and nirvana moments as far as PMS for debt is concerned, but slowly and steadily जैसे रेट घटते जा रहे हैं, investors are realizing कि बैंक FD में पैसा नहीं बनता है, debt mutual fund में returns कम है, तो कहाँ पे पैसा कमाया जाए? Knowing well the risk, that is the caveat. There are ways and means which one can use to participate through these vehicles.